celebrate hitting 50 subscribers, I'm going to do something pretty wild and pretty crazy. And the best part about all of it is that you, my viewers and subscribers, are going to have the power to decide just how crazy and awesome it's going to be. All that and more up next. You don't want to miss it. Welcome back to our next adventure with me, Jason. And yes, to celebrate hitting the incredible milestone of 50 subscribers, I'm giving you, my current subscribers, as well as viewers who hopefully will become future subscribers, the ability and power to decide just how epic and awesome my next adventure is going to be. But just be aware there is a time limit. This challenge will start the moment this video goes up, and it will come to an end on October 25th. So listen carefully what's at stake and what you need to do in order for it to happen and become as epic as possible. Before I begin listing every single epic milestone reward and what is needed to unlock it, I want to emphasize that each reward is going to become more and more epic than the previous one. However, a reminder that October 25th is the cutoff date for this challenge. So without further ado, let's begin. And remember, it's only going to keep getting better. Milestone number one's reward is going to be that I will make sure that the next cruise I go on will at least be longer than my current longest sailing, which stands on a single sailing at 8 nights, meaning it will need to be 9 or longer. Now, in order to reach this milestone reward, this video needs to hit 60 likes and the channel needs to hit 60 subscribers. A reminder that at the time of posting this, we're already at 50 subscribers. So that's only an additional 10 subscribers. And then of course, everyone needs to come together and give this video a thumbs up. Milestone 2, which is going to require 70 subscribers and 70 likes on this video, is going to be that I will go on a sailing that actually is longer than any combination of sailings that I've ever done at a single time, which would mean it has to be longer than 14 nights, which is currently the longest combination of sailings I've done on a ship, which was a back-to-back that I did earlier this year. Milestone 3 is going to be a huge jump in the reward, but at the same time, a huge jump in the difficulty. So let's go through it. For Milestone's 3 reward, I will go on a back-to-back that exceeds the combination of Milestone 1 and 2's rewards together. So that basically means that the next sailing I do is going to be at least 23 nights or longer. Crazy, yes, but like I said, harder to achieve. So let's go through what's needed for that. In order to unlock Milestone 3, we need to hit 100 subscribers and this video needs to get at least 100 likes. But we're not done yet. As the cliche goes, but wait, there's more. So the final milestone, the hardest one that it's going to be to hit, is going to be Milestone 4. Now, first let's discuss what's needed to hit it. We're going to need to hit 500 subscribers and this video 500 likes by October 25th in order for Milestone 4 to happen. So what's at stake if it does happen? Well, number one, I will make sure that on this epic odyssey that you would have put me on, I will do daily live streams as a way of connecting with you and giving you some fun on-the-fly updates as to what's happening so that you don't have to wait for any daily vlogs to come out in the future. Now, the moment any of these milestones are reached, I'll make sure to post it on the community tab of this channel. If you don't know what that is, if you go to the channel, you can see there's a part that says community. If you go there, you'll see that I actually have been posting for a while, where I give some updates on the channel's progress, as well as request some feedback directly from you, and I really appreciate that. On top of that, it's another reminder that if you haven't already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment below where you'd want me to sail on any one of these milestones, and of course, especially for the sake of keeping updated as to how the milestones are looking, make sure that you hit the bell icon, which is the notification button. This will mean that when I do post an update or I reach out and put a poll that I need your feedback for, you'll get a notification about it, so you can take part in it as soon as it's available. They say you should save the best for last, and I hope you're going to agree that I'm about to do just that. And if you'll permit me to be a little bit more serious, I wanted to say thank you. Whether you've been with the channel from the beginning, along the way, or going to be joining for the future and all the exciting things still to come, I am so appreciative of every single time I see that there's a new subscriber, a new like, or even a comment where maybe myself or someone else in this amazing community can reach out and help someone with a question that they have or a supportive comment that they wish to give. You have no idea how much it means to me, and I really, really am appreciative of it. So until next time, cheers, bye, and more importantly, thank you.